বাংলাদেশে ভারতের নতুন হাই কমিশনার হচ্ছেন বিক্রম কুমার দোরাইস্বামী। বৃহস্পতিবার ভারতের পররাষ্ট্র মন্ত্রণালয় এক বিজ্ঞপ্তিতে এই নিয়োগের কথা জানিয়েছেন। বিক্রম দোরাইস্বামী বর্তমান হাই কমিশনার রিভা গাঙ্গুলি দাসের স্থলাভিষিক্ত হবেন। দেখব সেই রিপোর্ট। কি জানিয়েছেন এই প্রসঙ্গে বিক্রম দোরাইস্বামী, শুনব।
Bits of the trilateral on this, but let me just suggest a few contextual points about where we are coming from on this. And I think it's important that we make this point because quite often there is a tendency to cross-link what we say with what others have said. And so I want to borrow from the point that our minister made at the Delhi dialogue in December this year, when he essentially said that it is normal and natural that on any such new idea you could have a series of opinions about what it includes, what it should cover, and maybe even disagreements on, or at least non-commonality between what some countries are saying and other countries are saying. What is, however, normal in such a case is that diplomats, academics, and others of that ilk get together and find ways of finding the, to split hairs and decide on how many angels can dance on the end of a pin. What is not normal, however, is that we should make this the focus of all action. In other words, we should be able to turn ourselves around and also say, while we work on trying to find all the commonalities and areas of convergence as well as areas of divergence, we should not let that prevent us from actual action which takes forward a thematic and implementation-based approach to any new idea. So, ladies and gentlemen, the focus that we have taken on is to try and find ways of moving forward with our concept of the Indo-Pacific in a manner that preserves, and indeed to the extent we can, expands diplomatic space for India, but also for our partners in the region. Our overall objectives, of course, have been set out by the Prime Minister in his address at the Shangri-La Dialogue in June 2018. And our fundamental objective here is to look at ways in which we can preserve the notion of an open and therefore less...
কি জানিয়েছেন রিভা গাঙ্গুলি, শুনব।
Hello friends. In India, this is a time of celebration, of festivities. Communities all over India from north to south, east to west are celebrating the Indian New Year. I would like to take this opportunity to wish all members of the Indian community in our jurisdiction a very happy Vishu, Vaisakhi, Vishwa Sankranti, Poila Boishakh, Puthandu and Bihu. Have a very nice New Year.